What's up? Good morning Mindanao. Sa wakas, nandito na kami sa Mindanao mga sir, sa Surigao. So, ito na, babakbak na naman kami. 537 kilometers hanggang Jinsan. Oh, ganyan kalayo. Parang ano rin, parang galing ka rin ng Manila to Matnog. Diyos ko po. Pero mas easy na dito kasi wala nang ano di ka natatawid ng ano, dagat. Puro ano na, puro ano na, kalsada na lang. So, yun. Update na lang ulit mga sir, mga mamsi. Para ano, babalikan ko lang kayo mamaya kapag medyo maaraw na. Maswerte tayo, hindi tayo na ulanan dito. Kakatapos lang ng ulan dito. Meron pa rin na iwang pinsala si Udet. Kitang-kita mo naman sa mga niyog. Yung iba namamatay na. Yung iba manatiling nakatayo pa. Ayan swerte talaga kasi kakatapos talaga ng ulan ang lumig, naninigas na yung kamay ko. Oy nakakampanya pala yun nangangampanya agang-aga may istoro sa mga tao. Madaming ano dito. Ayan, Butuan pa rin tayo yan, diretso Butuan City. Bakit naman, let's go RS. Kaya mo yan. Ngayon ka palang susuko, nandito ka na sa Mindanao. Si Bes hindi na nagsasalita sa likod, tulog na yata. Go Ares, kaya mo yan. Kaya ba tarik. Doon tayo galing wala, kaya mo yan Ares. Uy, tricycle nga nakaakyat, ikaw po kaya. Nice, iba na naman tricycle dito. Ay, nibertikan ako. Oy, ay, si kuya. Ay, si kuya. Mamadali si kuya. Wala pa namang helmet. Hindi uso helmet dito mga sir. Kasi pag may helmet ka hindi ka makakilala. Grabe liko. Ay, sarap. Sarap. Ito ang ayaw ni Mrs. Ayaw na yung ganyan, paliko-liko. Takot. Ayan oh, ganda ng view oh. Wow. Sarap. Ano kayang ano to? Ano kayang daan to? Anong pangalan? Ganda no? Ganda ng highway dito. Wow. Ganda talaga oh. Kita mo na yung bundok oh. Wow. Wow na wow. Okay, update na lang mamaya. Kita nyo yung bundok mga sir. Ganyan oh. Oh. Ay, buti umaraw. Hindi umulan. Kanya yung cellphone ko sir oh. Nakadikit lang sa ano. Buti ka mo may dala akong ano, packing tape. Ha? Oh. Oh, sige. Ganap na muna kami ng makainan. Gutom na si Mrs. Kakatapos ng jumingil kahit saan lang sa may puno ng saging. Probinsya eh. So time check natin 7:42. Yung 537 kilometers naka ano na tayo. Ang natira pala 450. Diyos ko, wala pa sa kalahati. Woo! Ang lamig ng ano dito. Sa probinsya talaga malamig. Saka mapuno, di ba? Oh my god. Anong oras kaya kami makarating doon? Tingin ko mga ano, 9 ng gabi.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Oy. Kick. Oh. Checkpoint. Ano tatanong? Pup.
Oo, tama dahil
Ano sir? Kapote.
Kamuti?
Oo. Ito, saka ito mga damit. Salamat. Alright mga sir, nandito na kami sa Davao. Kalalagpas lang naman sa pier ng Davao. Dito kami napadaan lusot namin pa Digus. Yun, medyo hapon na. Malamang gagabihin talaga tayo nito. Mga 2 oras pa biyahe, or 2 oras kalahati. Bata, hindi na tayo maka nito mamaya, mahina ilaw natin Sige, update na lang kung saan pwede mag video. Okay, see you mamaya mga sir. Bye bye. So yan mga sir, palabas na kami ng Davao natagalan kasi kami nung naplatan kami, napako yung gulong natin. Buti may dala akong interior tsaka panghangin. Delay kami ng ilang minuto. Yun, palabas na kami, papunta na kami ng Digus. Tingin ko pagdating mo ng Digus dito madilim na. Pakot, tapos maambon pa mga sir. Baka mabasa itong camera natin. Sana wag lumakas, ganyan lang. Baka maya matuluan to dali. Huwag talaga Tika doon sa taas. Nice. Dito sa kabila, dagat. Wow. Last last challenge. Marami yung matinding pinagdaanan namin. Walang tulog. Check-in ka naman, hindi ka makatulog. Ano ba yun? Ang ganda ng daan. Parang nasa airport. Parang nasa airport. Ay, wala na. Ay, meron pa pala. ganda oh. Ay, isa. Oh. Ganda oh. Ah. Ang ganda oh. Lilipad na tayo. Ganda oh. Wala na. Wala na. Ang layo ng ano nila oh. Aray ko. Oh? Hanggang saan kaya to? Wow. Aray. Wow. So yan na nga mga star. Nandito na kami sa ano, Mulumulok. Ito yung pinakabayan namin dito. Pagka ano, may bibiling ka, ito na yon. So okay na kami, malapit na kami dito. Let's go. Kaso medyo madilim-dilim doon sa amin. Medyo nakakatakot din. Walang straight light, walang straight light, walang straight light.